all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay with you.
What's up mga pards? Another day, another vlog. This is Bjorn Bong and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video mga pards, it's Sisling Sisid birthday and nandito kami mga pards sa Ibonita Farm and Resort sa Calatagan, Batangas. So for today's video mga pards, samahan nyo kami i-tour itong napakagandang resort sa Calatagan, Batangas, or napakagandang farm and resort dito sa Calatagan, Batangas. But before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, please like, share, and if you have questions, comment down below. So without further ado mga pards, let's go, i-tour na natin ang Ibonita Farm and Resort. Let's go! So ayan mga pards, gidabi na tayo, kakadating lang natin dito sa Ibonita Farm and Resort. And mga pards, ito yung room namin. It's called Coco Nino. It's good for 2. And mga pards, sobrang ganda niya sa gabi. Ayan. Diba? And syempre, i-room tour ko kayo. Let's go, tingnan natin. So dito mga pards, ayan, no, parang mini pahat siya. So bukas papakita ko sa inyo para mas malino. Pero sa gabi maganda din siya mga pards. As you can see. So may dalawang chair dito. And yan, may dalawang ilaw. Ang ganda ng lighting actually mga pards. Malit lang to. Yan. Ayan, si Sisling Sisid. And syempre mag-room tour tayo. Ang cute ng room. No? Look, ayan no. Actually mga pards, parang maliit siya. Pero kung titinan mo yung ano, yung aesthetic niya, ang ganda niya oh. So pagpasok nyo mga pards, meron diba, yan yung glass door and may water bottle, tapos ito na yung bed, may water bottle, may water dispenser over there, tapos may study table or working table, meron din ditong TV and mga parts, it's air condition. Yan, ang ganda, actually maganda talaga mga parts. And by the way mga parts, ay may ref din dito, may personal ref if you have drinks, mayroon kayong food. And yeah, air condition. Ayan yung remote. Ayan yung bed niya. So by the way mga pards, this is from RCD voucher. So thank you so much kay RCD Homes for giving us this vacation package here at Ibonita. O diba? The small details. May pa-petals pa dito sa Ibonita, mga pards. And look, oh. Ganda. Ganda, mga pards, I must say. And then, tingnan mo yung wall na dyan. Meron yung coconut husk dyan. And mga pards, tingnan nyo to ah. Diba yan yung bed? Yan yung entrance. Dito naman, nagtataka kayo, ito na yung CR. Ito yung CR and shower. Look at that mga pards. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda naman ang interior nitong Coco Nino. O ayan, may salamin dito. May lagay ng laundry, may timba, modern timba actually. And dito na yung toilet seat. Shower is here. O may hot and cold din siya. And then may sampayan ng towel. May artsy dito. And ayan, mga parts, ang ganda. I'm not kidding. And this is malapit pa sa Manila. Actually, the detail, sobrang ganda. Ay, may carapace ng pagong. So, ayun o. Ganda niya mga parts. Eh, dito na siya. Ay, paano ba to? Ayan. Oh. Paikot lang siya mga parts. Maganda rin yung location niya mga parts kasi I think malapit na sa steel. So, tomorrow, papakita ko sa inyo mga parts. Ito yan. And then, may mga details. And may window here. Oh, ganda. So, ngayon naman mga parts, it's dinner time. So, samahan nyo kami. Kasama dun sa package na kinuha namin yung dinner. Actually, yung binigay na package na RCD. Once again, thank you so much. May dinner siyang kasama. So, let's go. Punta tayo sa dinner area nila. Which is actually sa tapat lang nitong Coco Ninyo mga parts. Let's go. Ayan. And, birthday po kasi ngayon ni Sisling Sisid. Yay!
Hindi pa ngayon, bukas pa.
Happy birthday in advance. Oh, see?
Kaya nga Ikaw ba to? Sa'yo to? Sa in-order mo?
Ayan, i-personalize paano kung hindi ba nila nalaman?
Thank you.
Ayan, ay, yung ganda ng setup po. May happy birthday pa talaga. Tsaka red do. Ano to?
Yung ulam.
Wow. Lahat na daw to?
Oo.
Wow, walang dessert. Naghanap pa ng dessert.
Yung ano mo?
So, ito yung mga parts yung in-order namin. Actually, kasama to sa package. Ito, lechon kawale, and then chicken barbecue. And, nilaga. Oh my God, ang sarap. Ang sarap. And then, mga sausawan. And, ayan, may happy birthday din dito. Oh, happy birthday, boy. How old are you?
26.
Oh, 26 na siya. And, thank you, Ibonita, for accommodating our request. May cake dito. Oh, happy birthday. Ayan si Neil. Neil, asan yung soft drinks?
Soft drinks pa.
Di ba may kasama atang order ng soft drinks? Ano pa ba? Parang may dessert ba to?
Halo-halo po.
Okay. Halo-halo. Sige. Okay. Ayan si Neil, yung aming nag-a-assist sa amin dito. Super accommodating and helpful. So, yeah. So, ngayon mga pards, ay mag-dinner muna tayo for tonight. Kasi nga, gutom na kami. It's 3 hours from Manila. Bukas ay tutur ko naman kayo around of what you can enjoy here at Ibonita Farm in Calatagan, Batangas. Okay? So mga pards, ayan, natapos na kaming kumain si Sisling Sisid. What can you say about the food?
Sarap. Wala akong boses. Sarap.
Masarap.
Sarap.
Sobrang sarap. Actually, yan nga. Surprise kami. Ang sarap ng food. I like the nilaga. Also, Sisling Sisid. Likes the Sisling. Ay, the Sisling Sisid.
Chicken inasal. Sarap.
Chicken inasal. And also the lechon kawali. Mga parts, may kasama ng the drinks yung package na binigay sa amin. And also, dessert, which is halo-halo. To cool us down. And thank you so much po kay Ibonita for this cake. Thank you so much. Sabi po ni Sisling Sisid at ni Doc Je. Siya po yun. Marami pong salamat at sa preparation. So ngayon naman ay kakain tayo ng dessert. And kasama din sa package actually mga parts yung bonfire and s'mores making. S'mores making ba yung tawag doon?
Yeah.
Kasi merong may bonfire dito tapos pwedeng mag-ihaw-ihaw ng hotdog tsaka marshmallow. So kakain muna tayo ng dessert and after dessert punta tayo doon sa bonfire. Ayan, so mga parts, after namin mag-dinner ay actually may kasama ding massage yung voucher that RCD gave me. So kaya i-avail din namin yung massage pero medyo busog pa kami. Tapos nandiyan ay magmamasahe. So, maliligo muna ako at magsha-shower muna kami and then we'll have our massage. And then, bonfire. Let's go! So, mga parts actually, pagkatapos ng massage, magbo-bonfire sana kami. Ayan. Kaso, mga parts, it's raining! Maganda naman mga parts kasi lalamig. Pero nandito na yung pang s'mores namin. Kasama din to sa package. Ayan o. Marshmallow, chocolate, and graham. Libre lang yan. So So, hintayin lang namin tumigil yung ulan. Sana tumigil. Kung hindi, edi kakainin na lang namin siya. So, mga pards, ayan. Cancel na yung bonfire natin kasi nabasa na yung kahoy. So, tinikman namin tong cake. Ang sarap.
Kaya siya kalahati.
Ha?
Kasi, bakit kalahati na yung cake?
Yung cake namin, since kami lang dala, so binigay namin kila Ate Massage. Ang sarap niya, mga pards. Si Chef Atay nagluto nito or nag-bake. Sarap.
Chef ba? Baka in-order na lang.
Piling ko si Chef. Okay, so ngayon mga pards. See you tomorrow sa breakfast. Good night! Good morning mga pards and welcome to our day 2 here in Ibonita Farm and Resort in Calatagan, Batangas. So kagabi mga pards, nagpa-massage kami. Ay, ang sarap ng massage. Oh, so kasama yun dun sa package na binigay sa amin. So again, thank you so much to RCT Royal Home. So by the way mga pards, if you haven't watched my vlog featuring my first property in Silang Cavite, ito yun. So watch that out if you're interested or if you are planning to get a house or a property. Marami yung maraming mga subdivisions yung RCD, and what I like about RCD is yung locations nila and also the affordability. Kasi nga syempre 'di ba, ngayon ang tataas na ng mga presyo ng lahat ng mga properties, yung lahat na mataas na, but I think for RCD tumataas din siya, but I think they maintain that affordability for Filipinos. So yun, ngayon naman mga pards, ayan, nakahiga lang ako dito sa kubo and naghihintay kami ng breakfast kasi nga yung package is also with breakfast for 2. So if you want to book Ibonita Farm, later itutur ko rin kayo, check nyo yung kanilang Facebook page or yung Instagram. Very responsive naman sila doon. So for the meantime, let's have some breakfast. So mga pards, ito na ang kanilang breakfast here in Ibonita Farms. Pwede nyo siyang ipaserve dito. Actually malapit na yan sa sa villa namin. And then I think pwede din dun sa breakfast area. Pero yun nga, we opted to have it here. So meron siyang danggit, tocino, egg, and then meron ding coffee, and then binigyan din nila kami ng hot chocolate, and then of course the water. Okay, so let's eat mga pards with this view. So nice. So mga pards, bilang farm itong Ibonita, ayan, may horse dito na kumakain malapit sa house. Yan. And ang dami din dito mga birds actually mga pards. So very naturey and sobrang ganda ng weather din ngayon. It's sunny and ayan nga. So far our experience in Ibonita is very good. So if you want a quiet place, close to nature and animals, this is the place to be. And maliligo lang kami and then let's go and tour Ibonita Farm. So mga parts, ang ingredient Giso Life is Life. Dito sa Ibonita may magandang walkway. Ito yung entrada nila when you go here. So kagabi kasi nga medyo late na kami nakadating.
Hindi kami makatawid kanina kasi.
May crossing horses.
Yung horse.
So ito, and then ito yung kukunin nyo, yan yung room namin. Meron pa itong mga ibang room kaya yan. Yung, I think that's Itugo. Yan na yung may private swimming pool. And then tingnan natin kung ano pa yung pwede natin ma-explore dito sa Ibonita. May isa pa dito. Ito yung common area nila. Ito, usually pwede naman kayo or why? Pwede kayong ano dito, mag-breakfast over here. Ayan. Kasi ito yung common area nila. And then there's a dog. And then here may parang ano pa dito. I think meron dito. Ito yung parang pwede. Koy! Breakfast area. Wow. Pero dun kami nag-breakfast sa may room namin. Pero meron silang parang common area over here. Tadaan! And may mga guests. Tapos mga parts, meron dito secret garden. So I think ito yung ano.
What's this?
Secret garden, look. It's a secret. That's what we need to find out. Ayan, secret garden.
I thought you can dip your feet.
Yeah. Meron silang maliit na pool.
To dip your feet? Ha?
Oh. Oh. Pwede rin mag-chill-chill here.
Baka may spider.
So mga parts, meron din silang part na may mga animals. So puntahan natin. Alam ko na dito din yung isang room nila. Yung isang magandang villa na may swimming pool. Hindi namin mapuntahan kasi may guest.
Itong laki.
Ano yan? Saan yung way? Ito yung way. Ay! Bigot. Ito yung way, oh. Pero baka may tao.
Ito yung sinasabi nila na 2 floors.
Oo. Tapos mga parts, andito yung mga goats. Ano kaya to? Simple ba to? Ito yung mga goaties. Hello, goats. The goat. What's up? Meron ding ano. I think pwede rin dito magpakain. Hello. Hello there. Ta-da! Come here. Say hello. Kasi I think pwede din dito magpa-feed ng goats eh. So yeah. So, there you have it mga parts. Tapos na naman ng isang quick travel vlog natin featuring itong Ivanita Farm and Resort dito sa Calatagan, Batangas. And overall experience mga parts, it was great and awesome. Last night, nung dumating kami, it was already prepared. And then yung thank you to Ivanita for accommodating yung request, yung like yung birthday cake. And yung food was very delicious. Yun yung pagkain na alam mo na hindi siya tinipid at saka handaan din talaga siya. And of course yung setup din, very accommodating silang kausap and very friendly din sila, even if sa Facebook and Instagram lang kami nag-uusap ni Ivanita. And also the staff here are very friendly, very helpful din, always assisting us kung ano yung mga kailangan namin. And of course yung room din namin, it was very cute. And I think sakto tong Coco Niño for couple or for 2 persons or for very a family with 1 kid. I think okay naman to. And yun nga, nagustuhan namin kasi meron din siyang nipa hut in front of us na doon kami kumakain and tumatambay. And when it comes to the amenities naman, if you are looking for a resort or place that is very quiet, I can recommend itong Ebonita. Since this is a farm, so meron silang mga animals, meron horses, goats. Although hindi ganun siya kadami, but it is very peaceful and quiet. Meron din silang mga rooms that has swimming pool para dun sa mga gusto mag-swimming. But for those people na gusto lang mag-chill and spend time with their families and loved ones, okay na tong Coco Niño and yung ibang rooms na walang swimming pool. And yeah, going here, nag-wasteable naman siya, but you can also use Google Maps. It's around 3 to 4 hours from Manila, or 3 hours or less, depends on the traffic. But if you want a quick getaway, you can go here. And malapit na din to actually sa dagat or sa beach, pero we opted not to go to kasi quick lang naman yung stay namin. So yun, I hope mga parsakayin kayo ng EDF ever you're going to Ebonita Farm and Resort. If nakabook na kayo or pupunta kayo planning to go or to book here, ayan yung feature niya. And the parts, if you like my videos or this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and if you have questions, just comment down below. I am also active in my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So please follow me there. So hanggang sa mga susunod kong YouTube videos mga parts, stay safe and healthy. Bye!